Let's talk about remote check-in to a facility. We'll use MIA5 in this example. First, I'll show you how to do it. Then I'll explain when and why you should use it. Trust me, this is a real game changer. Get to this screen, then go ahead and tap the Navigate to Site button. To use remote check-in, your stop has to meet one condition. You need to be bobtailing in for your drop-off and bobtailing out for your pickup, just like what's shown here. Before your navigation screen loads, tap Report Arrival Issue right below your trip information. This is the step that starts the remote check-in process. When this window pops up, select App Not Detecting Arrival. It will always ask, "Are you at the yard?" Even though you're not, just choose Yes and tap the blue button to move forward. Scroll down and acknowledge the safety instructions just like you would if you were actually entering the facility. Now, click the blue button that says Tap After Scan. Once you do that, you're fully checked into the facility. Go ahead and click Continue when the Up Next window pops up. The final step for this facility is the checkout screen with a QR code. Just click on Tap After Checkout near the bottom to wrap it up. And that's all it takes. You've now checked in and out of the facility remotely, and you could have been miles away while doing so. Now let's go ahead and complete the rest of this trip by remotely checking into the home yard. We'll do it at normal speed to show how quickly this can be completed. Once again, click Report Arrival Issue to start the process. App Not Detecting Arrival. Yes. Tap after check-in, then click Tap to close. Congratulations! You've successfully checked in and out of a facility remotely and then checked into the yard to complete your shift, and you did it all without moving a mile. Now let's talk about when and why to use it. These bobtail trips exist because sometimes Amazon cancels loads but keeps the trip active in the system, anticipating it might be repopulated later. If it comes time for that part of your trip and nothing has repopulated, that's when to use remote check-in. Use it anytime you're assigned a bobtail-in and bobtail-out trip. There's no need to drive to a facility where there's no load to drop or pick up. Just complete the remote check-in instead and move on, saving both time and fuel. In the example shown in the video, the driver was in Homestead, Florida, right after checking out of TMB8. 25 miles from MIA5 and 50 miles from the home yard. The driver safely pulled over, went on duty, and started the remote check-in to MIA5 as demonstrated earlier. After completing the MIA5 check-in, the driver then checked into the home yard, all without leaving Homestead. This allowed the driver to make a worry-free trip back to the yard with plenty of time to fuel up without stressing about being late at the end of the shift. And I know what some of you are probably wondering. Why would I say I'm at the yard if I'm not actually there? Wouldn't that be lying to Amazon? Could I get in trouble for that? The answer to every one of those questions is no. This process was provided directly by Amazon, specifically for the situations mentioned in this video. You're not breaking any rules. You're following the official workaround Amazon designed to prevent wasted time and unnecessary driving. So go ahead and use it. It saves time, fuel, and stress every time you do. That's all for now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Please consider subscribing to our channel and giving the video a like if you learned something today.